So I'll show you exactly what's going on with my drone here. I actually bought this on Facebook Marketplace, pretty cheap. Got it complete with a gimbal issue. The camera itself, once it's powered on, the camera wants to just calibrate and then point downwards. It has slight control with the remote controller in the gimbal wheel, but when you do power it on, it just goes through a reset procedure and then points downward. Let me show you. And that's it. You cannot bring that upwards. So, how to fix it? So I luckily have another MAVIC Pro drone, and I swapped all the parts over to try to figure out which component it was that was messed up on this one. And what it ended up being was the gimbal control board. Believe it or not, that's what's wrong with this thing. So I'm going to swap this out, but this is how you fix it. Let me show you that. And there's no real error on this on the app when this is engaged and you're flying, and the drone flies perfectly fine. However, you know, this is just how it wants to set itself, and immediately when I changed the board from my other drone, the camera righted itself and was perfectly fine. So let's get this thing swapped out. You can see this is the board. It's no good. Just these three screws here. 1, 2, 3. I got this on eBay from a reseller. It's brand new, and it was about $100. Alright, so moment of truth. There you go. It's pointed out. Pointed somewhat forward. Of course, I'm going to go through a gimbal calibration on the app, but it's fixed. And this is what it was. It wasn't the ribbon. It wasn't the camera. it was this board. So something to think about if you're diagnosing these things and wondering which part of the camera assembly that it is that's causing this to point down when you turn it on. So hope I could have helped. Thanks.